to the park. I am so excited to be here tonight. I've been to a Halloween party in a couple of years, and the other two of the girls we're with never been to a Halloween party. So I'm very excited for them to experience all that it has to offer. I'm so excited for you to come with us. We're here for Jen's bachelorette party.
Oh my god.
And we're wearing tutus. We're in line for Pooh Bear right now. That's her favorite. So we had to see them in their Halloween best. So we just visited with Pooh Bear and Piglet and Tigger and Eeyore in all of their cute Halloween vests. Everyone else went to ride Space Mountain, but I don't really ride Space Mountain, so I'm hanging out with the bags. I don't know if you can see, I'm like completely covered in glitter from my tutu, but there's not really any other way that I would rather enjoy the Halloween party. I'm excited to see what other adventures we have and what other trouble we can get into. Okay, how was Space Mountain?
So good.
Was it fun?
Terrifying.
Did no light? Did you cry?
I did not cry. I did.
You cried?
I did.
Okay. Jessica, let me see your popcorn bucket.
Hold on, fixing it.
Oh, did it break? Oh gosh. Let me see it. Come on. Got it. Oh,
There's a child.
Oh, a child. Bye, child. Oh my god, he's so cute. Check out this special beverage for the party. Cherry slushy, passion fruit syrup, blue curacao, Sprite, and lemonade garnished with a white chocolate dipped apple slice. Oh my gosh, that sounds really good. We got corn dog nuggets. We have to get them every time. We originally had a reservation at Be Our Guest, and we decided to cancel it so that we could have corn dog nuggets. Are you enjoying them? Our other friends left.
Corn dog nuggets.
One went somewhere, one went to the bathroom, but we are living our best life with these corn dog nuggets. Thank you. Candy.
Where are you from? Oh my goodness. Are you a pirate?
Someone tried to airdrop something to us. All these people are skipping us.
Oh, my name is Louie.
That's okay. See, look at her. She's just like, hello.
Scurvy skunk. Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
10? I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber. Strike your feathers, dearie. Or say crappy seas.
I keep trying to take a video of the queue line for Big Thunder Mountain, but we don't stop moving for me to take a video. I did it. I don't do those things, but I did it. How did I do?
You did great. You only grunted like a lot.
Most people go, ah! On roller coaster, I go, ah!
Nicole survived.
That's how I ride roller coasters. That's how I ride roller coasters.
We made it!
Thanks, Zero.
That was fun! The best Halloween ever! Come on, gang! Let's go! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Halloween! What a perfect Halloween tale filled with play.
A bolt of fear and dream as they thundered through the sky. He saw the riders coming hard. They heard their mournful cry.
Just go find her? Yeah.
Ghost riders in the sky. In the sky.
We just finished watching the new fireworks show at the Halloween party, and I don't know if it's just because I couldn't see a lot of the castle, or that I couldn't really see most of the fireworks since the turrets were in my way and pretty short, but it's not Hallowishes, which it's not supposed to be Hallowishes. However, I just don't think it quite lives up to Hallowishes, so that's kind of unfortunate. But we're in our spot for Boo to You, and we've had some characters walking by, and I'm really excited for the parade. I had no clue that the Emporium has fitting rooms. No clue. But I did find out today, just now, that's why I'm in here, that they have really good air conditioning. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
So fun.
They went and rode Space Mountain one more time, and at 11:58, I got on the people.
500 pounds of candy later.
We had 3 like full backpacks, and I got a little baggie because I don't know, the candy's not like my main focus. I don't know. But we watched a really good parade. We saw some fireworks, and we celebrated Jen getting married. That was the most important part. So thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you real soon. Have a hot dog day.